Hi, we've built an Android app called ParkWizard. Users can use this app to find the nearest available street parking location. Let's get started. You can log into our app using Facebook. So this is my current location. This is my name and these are the points which I have. When a user signs up for the first time onto our app, he gets a total of 100 free points. Now a user can report a parking, which means reporting a brand new parking spot, or a user can update the number of available spots in an already existing parking spot. So let's start with reporting a parking. Say I want to report a parking on the 123rd Street. I click the street and I click on add parking. And the number of available spots. So now I have successfully reported a parking. I also get a notification that my score has been increased by 10. So as our app is incentive based, whenever I report a parking location, I get a score of 10, and whenever I search for a parking, I lose 5 points. Let's search for a parking. I can click on select destination and say I want to search a parking near Columbia University. 5 points would be deducted if I search for a location. So I see that there are 6 available parking spots near Columbia University. These are all the spots which are within 500-meter radius of the place I searched for, which is Columbia. You can see Columbia is in the middle here. If I click on a spot, I get information about it. For example, there are 20 spots in total, out of which 10 are available. I can click on use this, which is a way of me telling the app that I'm going to use this parking spot, and this will help me to earn 2 points again. So this is another incentive for the user to report in real time that he's going to use a spot. And this is the path which I can follow to reach the spot. Now let's finally update a parking spot. So I can only update parking spots which are within 100-meter radius of where I am standing. So these are the only spots which I can update now. So let's say I want to update this. If I see there are only 3 available spots, I input 3 and I submit it. And I'm done. So we have a feature that if a user reports a parking which is within 50-meter distance of another existing reported parking, then we consider this as a duplicate entry and we don't allow the user to report it. But we do know that there was one on the 123rd Street which we initially reported. So let's try and report a parking here. 23rd Street. Let's make this 8. So here, a duplicate parking spot. That's it. Thank you for watching. लंबा कैसी है
चलेगा अब इतना
ये सेव हुआ क्या? मैं एक और करने को रेडी हूँ. 6 minutes ना ज़्यादा हो गया.